Watch this if you don't want to be stupid and buy an iPhone 15. Well, hello people, in this video I will give you for reason to don't buy iPhone 15. First, it's not worth it if you buy now. Instead, you can buy iPhone 16 because they will release iPhone 16 in September. New design, new camera, new performance and new other. In second, design. Design is still same with early iPhone. iPhone 14, iPhone 13, they just added dynamic island.
Has a gorgeous new look. The cameras have a new placement. I think this is self-explanatory.
No major changes. Maybe is USB-C if you need it. Just look at this. Still same brew. Except this. Now the cost. It's better you buy iPhone 16. And if you still want iPhone 15, you can buy it after iPhone 16 released. So you got good price because iPhone 16 released, the iPhone 15 will drop in price. Fourth, the display. The refresh rate at iPhone 15 is 60 Hz. I don't get it why Apple updates so minim like USB-C before. If you know USB-C smartphone in Android first at 2015. Now in display Apple still use display like early iPhone. iPhone 14, iPhone 13, iPhone 12. Even iPhone 4 used 60 Hz display in 2010. Woo! That's my opinion. Thanks for watching my video. You can like and comment what's next in the videos. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in next.